not to be overjoyed. Alright, let's put on my safety gear.
Phoenix Wright donated $1.
Thank you, Phoenix Wright. If I get sued in my YouTube career, please defend me. I'm representing your company. Alright.
Adam Dodds donated £2. High Plain Song destroy it.
Ah, yes, I will destroy it for you. Just for you.
Bolt the Superdog donated
Thank you,
$1.
Bolt. I like that movie. I like Miley Cyrus in that movie.
Big Daddy 69 donated $1.99. Hello, King.
Hello.
Andrew Alcid donated $2. Been here since 2016.
Hello. Oh, 2016. What a great year. So much better than what it is now.
Ronaldo donated 79 pence.
Alright, the most important part, guys. I just want to be really safe when smashing this MacBook. That's why I'm wearing all this. Because I'm afraid of the glass from the MacBook. Yeah, the glass from the MacBook.
€2. Hello.
The most important part. Alright, let's unplug this. Thank you. Hello. Thank you, okay.
Gameslinger 2.0 donated $2. I love you, man, not in a weird way, though.
Thank you. Thank you for I can't say that word. Specifying that it's not weird. I like that. Thank you.
Patman 2005 donated $2. Hello, Plainrock.
Alright, I'm about to smash this MacBook and nothing else. Just 1 second.
$1.
Thank you, Zerzy Bunny.
David the Hamster donated 99 cents.
Just 1 second. Thank you, David the Hamster. I'm not putting this off. I'm about to smash it for 2 million. Thanks again, guys.
Are you really gonna smash it on top of the washing machine's glass lid?
It should be fine. Nothing bad is gonna happen, right? Alright. I'm gonna smash it now.
Win donated 99 cents.
Let's wait after this super chat. Okay. One more super chat. One more super chat. Nothing's gonna go wrong.
Sarita Beast 102 donated $1.
Thank you for the $1. And thank you for 2 million! Oh no, guys! I accidentally hit the washing machine! Oh no! Oh!
99 cents. What was your favorite and worst video you made?
This one! This one was the worst. Oh no, guys! I accidentally hit the washing machine instead of the MacBook. Oh no!
Minos K9 donated €1.99.
I think there's glass particles in the air. I should be wearing a mask.
Cursidas donated 99
Is the MacBook alright?